Hola amigos, welcome to Go on Guitar. We have Drake Bell with a song called Diosa. This is for our Spanish friends out there. I think Diosa translates into goddess. Alright, so first time Drake Bell. Let's take a look at this very simple song. 4 chords only, no need for any capo. Actually, yes, we have it on first fret. So let's go into it. We have the 4 chords D minor, G, C, and A minor. So we're gonna start with D minor. It goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord is G. And that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Third chord is C. Third on A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is A minor. So that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So we have 2 ways of playing this. So either way will be to play 2 strumming rounds per chord in the same order we'll learn the chords. So D minor 2, G2, C2, and A minor 2. And that just keeps rolling throughout the song. So the first version is to play like this. Okay, so what you do here is to start on the D minor. And you're gonna play down, up, down, up, up. So 1 round is down, up, up. Okay, so you want to do that with a muted feeling. So it's a little bit jumpy like that. So what you do there is to mute in different ways. You can lean a finger in front of the chord you're holding. So in this case, the D minor. I have this little pinky left over, so I can just lean on top of the strings or in front of them actually. So okay, so that's one way. I like a better way of using the right hand, the strumming hand, to kind of make a downstroke and then lean on top of the string. So okay, that's what I'm more used to work with. Either way, you mute the strings. That is the thing you want to aim for. So you don't want to sound like this. It's too much sound and you got lost in that jumpy feeling. You want that, okay? So especially after the first up, that is where you want to mute. So if you ring out with other strings, other downs and ups, that's okay. But this first up, there is the point you want to really focus on. So okay, so that is 1 round. You're gonna play, like I said, 2 string rounds per chord in this D minor, G, C, A minor order. The next way of playing this is to bring in the rhythm, the beat more with this clap. So 1 string round will be like this. So what you're gonna do now is to play 1 down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. That is 1 round. Again, 2 string rounds per chord. It sounds like this. So that's it pretty much. You can play either way, the strumming, these 2 versions, go back and forth. It's up to you. Sounds great anyway. So that is how you handle Diosa from Drake. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Hope you will support me here. Subscribe, leave a comment, like this tutorial, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.